Hello, welcome to Crochet Smash. Today I am going to make a granny square. It's a little bit different than the previous granny squares. This pattern I just made it up today. So let us begin. Start with a magic circle, chain 3, which is considered as a double crochet. Now we make 11 more double crochet in the magic circle. 5, 11, 12, and we close the ring. Now let us slip stitch to the top of the chain 3, and I am going to cut the yarn and lock it in place. I made this one before starting with this. So let us do a color change over here. So between these two double crochets, I'm going to attach my teal color yarn here, leaving a long tail. Get it here. Make a single crochet. It is not considered as a stitch, so we make one double crochet, regular double crochet. Then we make a front post double crochet. Then again another regular double crochet in here. Use a front post double crochet next. That is going from the front to the back and from back to the front, pushing this double crochet in the previous row to the top. And we are going to grab the yarn, pull a loop, then just double crochet, right? So we're making one double crochet, one front post double crochet, double crochet, front post double crochet, we are making 24 stitches all together. Front post double crochet, double crochet, front post, slip stitch the top of the first double crochet. One, two, three chains, then one double crochet, two double crochet. Then we skip this 1, 2, 3 stitches. Then go to the space between third and fourth stitches and make 3 double crochet. 2, 3. Then again skip 1, 2, 3. Go to the next space, make 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Then we skip 3 stitches and make 3 half double crochet. Then skip 3 more stitches, make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Then skip again 3 and make 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 3, make 1, 2, 3 and chain 2, 1, 2, 3. Then skip 3, 1, 2, 3 half double crochets. Now we skip 3 and go to the beginning space and make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. We join to the top of the chain 3. Almost like a square. Attach the next color, yellow. So I begin with yellow, I want to end with yellow. So make chain 3 and 2 more double crochet. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Skip the 3, then put 3 more double crochet. Then go to the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3. We make chain 2. 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Then we skip the 3 double crochets and go to the space between those 2 set of 3 double crochet and make another set of 3 double crochet in yellow yarn. Go between the 3s in the white and make 3 more. Then here again make the corner granny square corner. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is not the 3DC. This is separate. This is the 3 half double crochet. So between 3DC and the 3 half double crochet, we make a 3 double crochet. And in the next space between this 3DC and the corner 3DC, we make another 3 more DC. 1 2 3, right? Then the slip stitch to the top of the initial chain 3. Now you can weave in all these yarn tails. I have shown how to weave the yarn tails in so many other videos, so I'm not going to go through that again. Okay, so that's a square. We're done. So see you next time with a different pattern. Okay, see you then. Bye bye.